Hi, and welcome back to the Books channel. Have you ever noticed how the moment a vacation ends, everything feels harder? That's what we call post-vacation blues. Today, we're sharing 3 practical tips you can use with your Books devices to help you smoothly ease back into everyday life. Coming back from a break to a pile of unfinished tasks can feel overwhelming. That's where prioritized planning comes in. The BOOX Note Air 5C features an ePaper display with soothing colors. You can slow down and write on it without eye strain. Okay, before you dive into work, try this. Open your Notes app and do a quick brain dump. Use a blank page to write down everything on your mind, no matter how small. Once it's all on the screen, use the lasso tool to circle, move, and categorize those thoughts into a structured plan. You can even use different brush colors to separate must-dos from later this week's. Just spend a few minutes mapping out your days or weeks ahead. It'll help you regain control and stop that day one panic. Once your plans are set, it's time to get your focus back. It's tough to dive straight into deep work after a long break. Try to start with light, consistent reading to help re-engage your mind. Grab your Go 10.3 and commit to a short session of focused reading. It supports 26 digital formats, such as PDF, Mobi, and more. You can drop various ebooks onto your Books device without the need to convert them. As you read, you can use your stylus to circle key ideas, highlight texts, or jot down simple thoughts into the margins. If you hit a word you don't know, use the dictionary or search tool to avoid breaking your flow. Think of these as a workout for your brain. They can help you regain your focus bit by bit. When your routine suddenly changes after a holiday, your mind and body might struggle to adjust. A big part of getting through that transition is protecting your mental energy throughout the day. Books devices like the Palm 2 Pro can be a great tool for swapping your phone with an alternative device to reduce distractions. At the start of your day, or whenever you need a reset, use the Palm 2 Pro as your dedicated device. It runs on Android 15 with Google Play Store pre-installed, so you can download apps for meditation, podcasts, or other mindful practices. It gives you access to what's useful without pulling you into endless feeds. With built-in AGPS and 5G connectivity, you can trace a walk or check your schedule while you're out. Since this is an ePaper device, it keeps you connected without sucking you in to check every single social media notification. Now, swap your phone for a different device, a paper-like companion. It's a simple way to reduce digital noise and break the doom scrolling cycle. Getting over post-vacation blues isn't about hitting 100% productivity on your first day back. It's about giving time for your mind and body to rejuvenate. That's it for today's tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.